I'm sick of this shit advice all over YouTube. This is 15 years of music know-how, condensed into as little time as possible, so get ready and learn how to sidechain the pro way. Today's topic is ring modulation and sidechaining. I recently came across this new method and we are going to take a look at how to set it up using FL Studio. For full context, I recommend watching the other sidechain videos first. We begin by routing kick 1, bass 2, route the kick also to channel 3. Here we will create our trigger. Route the bass to both channels 4 and 5. 4 will be our ring mod channel and 5 will be the final sidechained bass. The trigger needs to be sidechain only on channel 4. Finally, let's route the ring mod channel to channel 5. We insert the free version of M-Wave Shaper on our trigger channel and change the settings to asymmetric and squared. We also add a point in the middle and drag the end down. Next, we insert the free version of Ringmodulator and enable sidechain, and then go to settings, click processing and select the trigger as sidechain input. Make sure that phase is turned to 0. Let's have a look at the result. Since the ring modulator instantly fills all the available gaps, we can hear some distortion at the start. In previous videos, we learned how to use Shaper Box with the MIDI trigger. We can use it here as well to improve the result. First, we isolate the distortion at the beginning. This way, we can mix in as much of the distortion as we want. Use a second Shaper Box on the kick to remove any overlapping between the sustain of the kick and the bass. And there we have it, the perfect way to sidechain kick and bass.